You know what is happening for this phone? This phone is a what we call is Huawei 5 Prime. Huawei 5 Prime. The problem is it doesn't show what you call the keyboard. You can't right now. If you go in WhatsApp, you can't see the keyboard. If you go even in you want to put Wi-Fi, what example I want to connect here, it can't show the keyboard. You see? You see? When you see, it doesn't show the keyboard. You see? Normally I'm supposed to write here, but it doesn't show the keyboard. If it doesn't show the keyboard, what I must do? I can't even I can't even go spot it because we can't write the password. So what I must do, I have to take another phone. I must download. This is Huawei 5 Prime 2018. Huawei 5 2018. Huawei 5 Prime. What I must do, I have to take another phone and download what we call SwiftKey. Let me check nicely to be sure. Huawei 5. This is Huawei 5 Prime 2018. Huawei 5 Prime 2018. So what I must do, I have to take another phone. I have to take another phone and download and put a Wi-Fi or what? Let me see. Okay, and put a Wi-Fi there so that I can download that app. I put a Wi-Fi for this phone. Let me put a Wi-Fi for this one. Okay. I put a Wi-Fi. I connect this phone to Wi-Fi so that I can download SwiftKey and then I can transfer it to the Huawei 5 Prime 2018. Let me go now to the Google. I'm going to the Google. I'm going to the Google Chrome. On the searching bar, I can write Swift. I write SwiftKey. SwiftKey. So I'm going to the searching bar. I can download SwiftKey. SwiftKey. Okay, I can check in the suggestion where I can get. Okay, let me try this first one. Microsoft SwiftKey. No, let me try this one. No, let me try. Because it's APK. Yes, like this. Okay, let me download this one. And download this one. Let me check. Yes, I'm going down and download this one. SwiftKey. They call it SwiftKey. Let me go and download this one. SwiftKey. Continue. SwiftKey keyboard. Okay, I do download. I say okay. Automatically you can see here it's starting to download. What is downloading? SwiftKey. You can check there how it's going. Okay. You see, it's 72 megabyte and we are in 35 megabyte. What you must download here, we must download what we call SwiftKey. So it's a SwiftKey we're gonna give us a opportunity to get the keyboard. Yeah, it's almost finished. What we download here, we download SwiftKey keyboard. It's the one who gonna give us a way to get a keyboard on Huawei 5 2018, because the keyboard is lost. The keyboard is lost. You can go in WhatsApp, you can go in Wi-Fi, anywhere you want to write something, you can't find the keyboard. From there, we have to download the app which is calling SwiftKey keyboard. You can see here it's done. When it's done, we have to see it. Oh, okay, it's this one. Okay, let me do. You have to go to download here. It's download. Now, what we're gonna do here, we have to shade this one. It means we have to transfer this one to the phone which doesn't have a keyboard. This Huawei 5. We are going back. We take this phone. We have to shade this one to this one, so that we can install this one, this Swift code, to this Huawei 5 2018 Huawei 5 Prime. What you must do, we go there, we make share, we shade. Where you're gonna shade, you're gonna shade by Bluetooth. We go by Bluetooth. They ask us to turn on Bluetooth for this phone, other phone, in my right hand. So on this side also I must turn Bluetooth on. You see, you can see Huawei 5. It is reading this Huawei 5 automatically. You see, Huawei 5 is reading automatically. So because I already activated this side, I'm going there, I make share. Automatically it asks me accept. I go to accept. I'm sharing this Swift code from this iSense where I download it to this Huawei which is missing the keyboard. We have to download keyboard through the Swift code from this Huawei 5. So let's see if the transfer is going in the Bluetooth. It look like, let me see. Okay, they say again accept. Let's say accept. Okay, when you do accept, you see it's starting automatically download. You see, download, and they will see, it will show you how percent is. It's still in 2%. This Huawei 5 is too very slow when we download something, so we have to wait so long so that until it's finished this thing. It's 3%, 4%. I think we can wait. You can put down. You can see until it's finished. You see, now it's finished. When it's finished, you open it. You see, you open it. You go to open. When you go to open, for your security, your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source. So you're going to setting. After going to setting, you must go to allow from this source Bluetooth. From this source, allow from this source Bluetooth. You allow. When you allow, you can go back. When you go back, they tell you install it. You install it on the device Huawei 5 Prime 2018. When you finish to install, automatically the keyboard will show you. The keyboard will show on your device because the keyboard was missing. Okay, it's finished. App install. Go straight to the down. You see that done and open. If you want to open, you can open it. You see? Let's show you. Okay. Okay, I can close it because I already done. I can close it. When I close it, the keyboard is coming back now. When you open all the WhatsApp, you want to write something, you'll find your keyboard is back. Let me show you something. I want to put example. I want to put Wi-Fi. I'm going to put Wi-Fi. When I want to put Wi-Fi, I'm going to my Wi-Fi. I put there. Let me restart it. It restart your phone. You see, now it's coming. So I restart the phone. After installing SwiftKey, I restart the phone. After restart the phone, the keyboard is coming. Now I can write everything. You see? You see? Now I can do everything. That is the way to solve this problem.